Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel known as RayZa Photography. My name is Ray and I hail from South Africa. I'm a photographer and a drone enthusiast. I must say I've been a self-taught photographer for many years. However, there was always something lacking in the work that I've done, and I've decided over the past 2 years to really sharpen on my technical knowledge and practical experience in photography. I must say it has taken my work to the next level, and I really enjoy what I'm doing. As a relatively new experienced photographer, I am sure I've got quite a few learnings I could share with novices, anybody that's new to photography, and I'm sure I can learn a lot from many other photographers. In fact, I follow some very well-known photographers on YouTube, and I learn a lot from them on a daily basis. Please join me on this journey. If you really would like to share this experience with me, kindly click the subscribe button below. What I can assure you is that I will at least once a month post a video to share my experiences. And I'm sure in some months I will do more, but that will be a bonus. What I intend doing is to also share with you some of my travels, because I'm also very keen on travel photography, although my heart really lies with landscape photography. Please join me on this journey, and I'm looking forward to learning from you, and I believe your constructive criticism and feedback will help me to become a much better photographer. Thank you. Kindly click on the button below to subscribe. Also click on the bell to make sure that you get notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much. Join RayZa Photography on this channel.